Hey there! Welcome back to Tech Product. If you were searching for the best digital coin microscope to see every tiny detail clearly, you are going to love this one. Today, we're taking a close look at a powerful and easy-to-use digital microscope. Let's get started. This is the Revcow DM7 Digital Coin Microscope. It is designed for anyone who needs clear and detailed magnification, whether you collect coins, work with electronics, or just enjoy exploring small objects. The first thing you will notice is the 4.3-inch display. This built-in screen lets you see everything directly on the device without needing an extra monitor. The image looks sharp and bright, which makes close inspection much easier on your eyes. The RevBC DM7 Digital Coin Microscope offers up to 1000x magnification. That means you can zoom in extremely close to see fine textures, small scratches, or tiny markings that are impossible to notice with the naked eye. For coin collectors, this is very helpful when checking mint details or condition. For electronics work, it helps you see small solder points clearly and work more precisely. Another strong feature is its 1080p video capability. You are not just looking at objects, you can also capture high-resolution images and record videos. This is perfect if you want to document your findings or share them with others. The video quality is clear and detailed, which makes analysis simple and professional. Lighting is very important in any microscope, and the RevBC DM7 Digital Coin Microscope includes 8 adjustable LEDs. These lights surround the lens and provide even illumination. You can adjust the brightness to match your environment. If you are working in a low-light room or examining a dark surface, the adjustable LEDs make sure every detail stands out clearly. The design is compact and practical. It does not take up much space on your desk, and it is easy to move around when needed. The controls are simple and intuitive, so you do not need technical knowledge to start using it. Everything feels straightforward, which makes the experience smooth from the first use. This digital microscope also connects modern technology with traditional magnification. Instead of looking through a small eyepiece, you get a clear digital display that shows exactly what the lens sees. It makes long sessions more comfortable and reduces strain on your eyes. You can easily observe, capture, and review details in one simple process. Overall, the RevBC DM7 Digital Coin Microscope combines strong magnification, clear 1080p recording, adjustable LED lighting, and a user-friendly design in one portable device. It gives you a powerful way to explore tiny details that would normally stay hidden. Take your close-up viewing to the next level. Check the price link in the description to learn more about the RevBC DM7 Digital Coin Microscope. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more amazing tech finds. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.